Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send an invitation to your friends to join your flipped study group. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the groups button down below, which is the third option. And after that, you should scroll down till you find the view leaderboard function. So tap on it, scroll down and tap on send invite to group. Here you can find your contacts to whom you can send an invitation, and then they will be able to join your study group so that you can study together and motivate each other with selecting a study timer, so that you are obliged to study while the timer is on, and you can keep track of your daily performance. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.